wherever we need it at the perfect size that has a silicone suction to keep everything nice and safe and secure. And I can go ahead and store these all together, one in the other, so they store in one beautiful place. That was suctioning to the base actually. And look, they're little lily pads and they have a little frog friend on them. They are so darling. They come to us from Kochblume, that is the #1 kitchen brand in QVC Germany, now here with us in QVC US. 3 color choices for you. We have this for you in the gray choice in the front, all 3, a small, a medium, and a large. Here is your red choice. And we also have aqua for you. And that aqua, I'm showing you how they all are storing. You see that? They're suctioned there. They have suction grip to them. It's really, really cool. $16.99 for all 3 of these. And Stacy Stoffer is joining us. You also have free shipping and handling, of course. Stacy, talk about a really great way to just always have the right lid.
Yes, and I'm just trying to show you this suction is for real, because this is
mine is now stuck as well.
Right. But here's the beauty part. It might be stuck good.
I cannot even get it off.
Right? But all you have to do, Rachel.
Okay, there we go.
Or I was going to show you this trick, even easier. Just go to the lip.
Okay.
And then release
there we go. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's amazing. That is like magic.
Isn't it? Right? I love it, of course, and the design is super cute. So, and that's the beauty of Kochblume, who since 2010 has been making amazing kitchen things. So here's what you're getting in the set. The large one will fit, think of it as a lid or as a splatter guard. So here's your large, it's 10 inches. So if it's a splatter guard, that means any pan or pot that's 10 inches wide or smaller, you can use that for. Great when you're steaming or doing tomato sauce. Here is your medium. That's the large, so that's 10 inch. Here's your medium, 6 inches. Yep. And the small is 4 inches. So obviously that's definitely going to be more of your lid. So it's really great. And they all nest underneath each other. But a super strong seal, which we showed you, heat resistant, so it can go in the stove, because if it's a splatter guard, what I love about this is how many times are you just trying to heat up jarred sauce or your own homemade tomato sauce, and your stove becomes an absolute mess.
Right.
Yeah, don't do that anymore. You're just gonna lay that on top. Anything that has a smooth rim is going to be, it's gonna be able to seal up against. And look at that, like even as I'm lifting this pot like this, that's how strong. And I didn't really even press down. Again, easy release, that's all you have to do. So really, really nice. So
that's
tomato
amazing.
sauce, keep everything. Here is the medium.
Okay.
For your smaller pots, you have the perfect lid. Again, what's underneath here? Nothing. But say you're doing ramen or something like that, or you're steaming a few vegetables. But again, like that medium will fit those smaller pots. Really great when we're thinking about going outdoors in the spring and summer, to be a great thing to keep bugs out of our dip.
True.
Or you just need a lid. You're having people coming over for the game. They're not quite there yet, but you have all this prepped. Instead of putting saran wrap over that, or plastic wrap or foil, don't use all that, because it ends up just going in the garbage.
Right.
Use your reusable seal. And again, look at how now that's sealed on. So it's a really, really great design. And then this one, the small also, we were talking about cats earlier.
Yes.
How many times do you have some pet food, the wet stuff, right?
Right.
You peel back the lid, you have to throw away. So maybe they only go through half a can. Well, guess what? Let's just go ahead and have these lids so we can pop what's not eaten and throw it in the refrigerator.
And Stacey,
same with yogurt.
Yes, the alternative for those with the, I know they make some of those that you snap onto the pet food, but they're really hard to clean because they have that rim around the outside. So this without that rim is going to be super easy to clean, but it's still going to suction. So you have all of that air tightness that you want. But this is so easy to clean because you don't have to get into any nooks and crannies. And this is going to be is this hand wash or is this dishwasher safe, Stacey?
Oh, it's dishwasher safe.
Amazing.
So you wouldn't even have to, I know, because you have such pretty nails right now. I'm thinking,
thank you.
Oh, don't even put that in under hot water trying to wash it. Throw it in the dishwasher.
Yes.
Freezer safe too. So if you need a lid that has to go in the freezer, these are absolutely great. And when I say heat safe, think about when we're reheating things in the microwave. Go ahead, use this as a splatter guard in the microwave, 450 degrees. So this is really good. And as a wine aficionado, even though it's winter, this is so weird because I expect this in the summer, but it's winter. I'm still getting fruit flies in my house, and they're always going after my mind. So I love to have these little things by. So if I go to the bathroom, I have to go upstairs to switch the laundry, and I have a glass of wine pour, I just cover the top so I don't come back to fruit flies in my wine.
That's great, Stacey. Even covering your coffee mug, covering your water. I feel like when I go to bed at night, I have a water glass next to my bed, and you wake up and it's dusty, right? So
Yeah.
put this on there,
you go.
and then you're good to go all the time. I want to go through the color choices. $16.99 for all three of these. So use as a lid, use as a splatter guard, use to protect. You've got so many options here in that wonderful section. We have this for you in gray, a small, a medium, and a large. So it's $5 and change per lid for really great dishwasher safe, easy clean, wonderful versatility, and wonderful durability. This is going to be your aqua color. This is your set of aqua. All of them have the cute little frog on them, a little lily pad. And then here's your red. $16.99, free shipping and handling saves you an additional $3.50. This is a wonderful pickup and use almost daily. Stacey, I think that this is one of those items where it's going to replace a lot of other things in our kitchen because we're just going to reach for these more than we're going to reach for those clanky lids.
Exactly. I remember when Kochblume, maybe 7 years ago, came out with their original splatter guard that we used over the stovetop. I still have them. This design, much cuter, much more versatile now as a lid. It's just, they're perfect. It's a great little wishing well gift, too, for any bridal shower getting married. It's one of those things that you're like, not necessarily looking for and shopping for out of a need. But once you have them, you really realize, like, wow, it's such a better alternative to using foil and plastic wrap that you just throw away. And then you can't put that over a hot pan. Like if you're trying to brown ground beef, instead of having all the juice splatter again on your cooktop, you can just kind of lay this over top, either to protect anything from falling into it, but just the grease splattering out, again, because it's heat safe, it's super cute, and takes up no space. Throw them in a drawer.
No space at all. This is where they're all nested together. Really fantastic, microwave oven safe. You're just gonna use this time and time again. So give us a call, 800-500-7590. We have red, we have aqua, and we have the gray option for you, $16.99 and $3.50 savings on that shipping and handling. Now, Stacey will be back with us, and she's gonna be back with this item.